Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. A dark linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C300 4MATIC has 22,606 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.